The role of UX design can often feel a bit fuzzy or abstract. So to make it more tangible, it's useful to fall back on yet another UX design related analogy. In this case, we're going to consider a SaaS app as the equivalent of a building. So we're thinking about a building. For starters, we want to ask, what is the building for? There are many ways to even imagine what a building is, let alone what it's for. And then we want to know who is using the building. So many different users potentially of a building, whether it's residential users or medical facility users. And even within those user groups, there's so many potential different use cases and user types. We really want to understand what we need to create and design. And once we have that understanding, we can ask the more tangible questions like, how big does the building need to be to accommodate all the use cases? What is the flow of the building between the different rooms, and what kind of rooms or facilities do we even need? Things like, where does the natural light come from, so we can design lighting effectively. And then right at the end, make it look pretty. It can be as functional as we like, but if it doesn't look nice, then it's not going to be very usable or fit for purpose in the end. So if we apply this to the software environment, the role of the UX designer is quite close to that of an architect within the building design and creation process. The UX designer is not the builder. The builder is the series of different types of developers, front-end, back-end, engineers, a whole world of actually bringing the final product to life. But the builders need to know what they're building, why, and what kind of user base it needs to serve. So that for me is quite a nice, tangible, neat metaphor. Not perfect, but it's quite close.